in my family, they are five people. We did in my brother, my sister, and I. When I grow up, I want to become a teacher. Now we together. Friday. The second.
Of May. Train. Van.
Hello, my name is Sohyang. I'm a student in grade 6 in my family. They are 10 people and I grow up. I want to become a legal teacher. I'm from Cambodia, from Kampong Thom province. Now we together. Friday. The
Second.
hand of May 2025. Transportation. Một số bay thua đồng nào. Let's start. Tập bụi dương. Chặt nào. Be practice the word. Cho ăn được vật tia. Ask an answer. Cho ăn được vật cho ឆ្លើយ ចូលសួរឲ្យនឹងឆ្លើយ ចូលសួរ